Brother Ibrahim, the MP of the Labour Party, and of course, a Wellington resident. And please help me welcoming him. He will have a few words with us.
Thank you. Temisgen, Kira Koto, Salam Alaikum, Salam Kamillahum. From day one in my maiden speech, I said a few things about this war, and I will say it again. And this war that's going on in Tigray is unnecessary, it's senseless, it's against the norms of every human rights norms and the conventions. And what makes it even worse is the Ethiopian government inviting another dictator in Eritrea who for the last 30 years has been killing his own people. I'm one of his victims. Me being here today and with you is because of the Eritrean dictator who's been killing us for the last 30 years. And now he joined with Abiy and he's doing the same to Tigrayans. And many people, I think Paul already has expressed the Nigerian government's position, and the Nigerian government has expressed its concerns. It condemns what's happening in Tigray, and not only that, but we also pledged $1.5 million for Red Cross, and also $750,000 to support the refugees in Tigray. So this is not about politics. This is about basic human rights. This is about people being, starving to kind of crush their spirit of resistance. This is genocide. People of Tigray are now being targeted just because they are Tigrayans. Nothing more, nothing less. And every human being, no matter where you come from, what your background, should condemn this. And the other thing I want to emphasize is what Eritrean government is doing inside Tigray. This has been denied. Last 2 days, I was watching a video on social media where the Prime Minister openly now admitted that the Eritrean troops are on the ground. And this has been denied over and over, but there's no more. It's quite obvious what's happening and what the Eritrean troops are doing, alongside others, of course. So, to me, as an Eritrean, I'm ashamed of it. But in saying that, the regime that's doing this doesn't represent Eritreans. Eritreans are victims of this regime in the first place. So we Eritreans join our voices with you condemning what the Eritrean government is doing in Tigray. This is not about politics. People should know. I see a lot of people divided on this, a lot of thoughts on this. This is purely innocent civilians being killed, women, girls, young girls being raped. This should stop now, and the international community actually should be doing more to do this. It's only 1995 we had a Rwandan genocide, and then 2021, now another genocide. And in front of everyone watching, the whole world is watching. I have seen condemnations here and there. Condemnations are not enough. The international community should be actually stepping in and stop this. Otherwise, it will get worse. So, as an Eritrean who comes from the region of East Africa, I'm not here today speaking in front of you as a politician. I'm speaking as one of you who comes from the region, but also only 2 years ago I was in Tigray. I was in Ethiopia. I've seen the whole Ethiopia. I've seen Tigray, and this beautiful places now have been destroyed, and that really pains me. So, brothers and sisters, it's nothing gives me more pleasure standing up with you and condemning what's happening back to you people, to our people. We are in this together. There is no me and you. I'm one of you, and I will always be alongside you. And let's keep doing more. Let's keep talking. Let's keep writing about this. Otherwise, if we don't do it, no one is going to do it for us.
Thank you.
So one last thing is just don't give up. Don't give up. I know this is hard. I know it's heartbreaking. I know it's hard when you can't even reach out to your loved ones, when you don't even know what happened to your loved ones. It's heartbreaking, but don't give up. We also have as an Eritrean, also it pains me that there are about 100,000 Eritrean refugees who have been given a safe haven in Tigray. We don't even know what happened to them. Quite a few of those Eritrean refugees actually been accepted by New Zealand. Now we don't even know what they are. So don't forget them in your prayers and your thoughts. And may God bless you all, and God bless people of Tigray and the people of Eritrea. Kia ora, salam alaikum.